Here we go, guys. Trader Joe's porcini mushrooms and truffle ravioli and tomato cream sauce. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. I'm back from another hard day of work. I'm starving, I need something to eat. Trader Joe's to the rescue again. What do we have? Ooh, this list looks really good. Porcini mushrooms and truffle ravioli. Trader Joe's been coming up with all kinds of ravioli stuff, so I'm trying them all one by one. This one says it's tin stuffed pasta with porcini mushroom and truffle. It's made in Italy. The last ravioli dish I made, the Trader Joe's cacio e pepe ravioli, watch that video, it turned out really good. My lobster ravioli Trader Joe's video, very good. So I'm gonna try to each ravioli do a different sauce. So this one, I'm gonna do a tomato cream sauce with pecorino romano cheese and garlic and herb butter. It's gonna be delicious. Let's go make some ravioli. So we got the water boiling, we're gonna salt it and add the ravioli. Now it's time to put the sauce together. Tomato sauce goes in first, then we're gonna add garlic and herb Kerrygold butter. Touch of cream. Mix everything up real good. Make sure you melt that butter. That looks amazing. Pecorino Romano. Gonna melt that into the sauce. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you're gonna add the ravioli. It looks really good, it looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. All right, everybody, it's time to try my little Trader Joe's lunch adventure. There's the ravioli. Whoa, smoking hot. It's really good. Truffle ravioli. I can taste the truffle oil in there. By the way, my sauce is delicious. I love my sauce. Really good. Now you can make this in any sauce. You can use Alfredo sauce, whatever. I just came up with this sauce because I used my Trader Joe's lobster ravioli video. I used Alfredo truffle sauce. I made an Alfredo truffle sauce with those with that meal in that video. So for this one, I came up with a different sauce, and it's delicious. Another great lunch idea from Trader Joe's. It's affordable, it's good, it's easy to make. It's delicious. I'm gonna go finish this meal because I'm starving. And everybody, thanks a lot for tuning in and hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.